Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Until You Get. Today we are going to discuss the previous year question paper of RPF Constable 2018 to 2019. This will be your part 2 video, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to see my upcoming videos. Let's start the today's session. Which of the following article of Indian Constitution is related to the right to elementary education? The answer is Article 21A. The substance which reduces friction is called. The answer is lubricants. Where did Mahatma Gandhi finish the Salt March in 1930? The answer is Dundee. Which of the following was the provision of a single citizenship in the Constitution of India? The answer is British Constitution. In which country is the Rab al Khali Desert located? It is located in Saudi Arabia. In which country was the 2016 Summer Olympics held? The answer is option number D, Brazil. The green plastids with chlorophyll are called. The answer is chloroplast. Who was known as Frontier Gandhi? The Abdul Ghaffar Khan is known as Frontier Gandhi, which is option number B. Where was the Asian Infrastructure Bank established? It is established in Beijing, China. Operation Flood is related to which revolution? The answer is White Revolution. In which game is the goal of throwing the ball into opponent team? The answer is basketball. In which of the following states is the Garhati Hills located? It is located in the state of Odisha. What is the quality of the metal by which it can be brought into the form of wire? And the answer is reputation. When the pathogenic microbial enters into the human body, what is created by human body to fight? The answer is antibody. Which of the following tools is used to measure the force acting on an object? The answer is spring bent. When did Vasco da Gama found new sea route to Europe to India? The answer is 1498, which is option number B. Where is the folk musician Manganayar related? The answer is Rajasthan. Art of Madhubani is also known as Mithila painting. There is a distance between the two middle stems in the cricket pitch. The answer is 22 yards. That is the length of the cricket pitch. The Strait of Florida separates the United States from. The answer is Cuba. Which Indian ruler had imposed Tree of Liberty in Srirangapattinam? The answer is Tipu Sultan. Who built the Celestial Observatory in Jantar Mantar in Delhi? The answer is Jai Singh II. At present, the Supreme Court has maximum 31 judges. When was the 20-point program launched by Indian government? The answer is the year of 1975. Where is the headquarters of International Rice Research Institute located? It is located in Philippines. Who founded the Vedanta College in 1825? And the answer is Rajaram Mohan Roy. Sivasamudram Falls is found in which state? It is found in the state of Karnataka. The first Rajya Sabha of the Parliament was formed for the first time in the which year? The answer is 1952. Which of the following certificate helps the consumers to get an assured quality of goods? The answer is AGMARK. Who can nominate an Anglo-Indian member in the Lok Sabha? The answer is President. Who is popularly known as Modern Manu in India? The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Which of the following is related to cricket? The answer is white ball. What is that simple tool that is used to remove the weeds and the loosening the soil? The answer is hoe. Which of the following is found in the Nile River? That is White Nile. The answer is Lake Victoria. The word NABARD means the complete full form. The answer is National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. And the next question. Who in football team wear the different color from the other players? The answer is goalkeeper. The longest written constitution in the world, that is Indian Constitution. Which of the following ocean stream is known as Child Christ? The answer is El Nino. Directive principles of state policy was taken from which constitution? It is taken from the Aryan Constitution. Where does the Pashmina shawl come from? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. What is the name of reaction acid and the alkali product produces salt and water? The answer is salt reaction. The Virbhada temple, famous for Andhra style of mural painting, is situated in? The answer is Lepakshi. Which is the main crop cultivation in Andaman and Nicobar? The Andaman and the Nicobar is separated from the 10-degree channel, and the major crop cultivation is rice. The maximum size of land owned by a person is called to determine. The answer is land ceiling. The word penalty throw is related to which game? The answer is handball. Which of the following is the first written document related to the fundamental rights of citizens? And the answer is Magna Carta 1215. What is the process of depositing the layer of any desired material on any other material through electrification? which is called electroplanting. The first backward class commission was appointed in which year? In the year of 1953. That is option number A. What type of combustion is there in which any metal suddenly turns into flames without any apparent reason? And the answer is spontaneous combustion. Which of the following is not a part of Oceania? The answer is Mauritius. I hope this video will definitely help your exams, and if you like this video, kindly share to your friends and give your valuable feedback in comment section. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.